Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Dollar Tree Valentine home decor DIY. For my first project, I will be using this beaded heart decor sign, which is new to the Dollar Tree. This heart decor clip, some Dollar Tree ribbon, and for the greenery, I'm using some Walmart greenery. I'm going to start with the greenery, which I am going to cut 3 stems off from the pick. Then I'm going to remove the tag from the heart. As you can see, the heart did lose its shape, or just a little bit, and I'm going to just shape it some more. Then I'm going to remove the tag and the bow from the heart and add the greenery to the heart. I removed one of the smaller little stems and add it on the end. Now before I tie this, I do want to add the hearts, and I thought I was gonna cut these, but all you have to do is pull them out and that is it. I will be adding 2 hearts to the top and 1 heart to the bottom. Now that I have everything, I grabbed this little, it's not even a string, it's more like a wire, and I tied everything together, left some of the wire, so like that I can add it to the hearts. Now I'm going to make the bow, and instead of using the 2 smaller little ribbons, I decided to use the buffalo check one and this Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. I cut both of these the same size, then I glued the smaller ribbon in the center of the burlap ribbon. I then made the bow. To cover the jute twine, I added another piece of this ribbon. Now I'm going to glue the bow in the center. As you can see, I'm adding the hot glue like on top of the greenery and the hearts. It did stay. Now I'm going to add a little hanger using the same ribbon. And I thought I was finished, but then when I picked this up, the greenery was moving around. So it doesn't move around, I grabbed pieces of jute twine and tied the greenery on the sides, and this made it stay still. And that is it for this beautiful wreath. For my next project, I will be using another new item from the Dollar Tree, which is this long sign that has this like a house shape at the top with hearts. And I'm using this Hello Fall, which comes from a little pack I got back during the fall. Some hearts, the same ribbon, and for the letters, I'm using these burlap letters that I got from Walmart. I'm going to start by removing the hanger, which honestly I don't know why I even did that because I did add it at the end. Now I'm going to leave the sign this color. It's already white, so I decided not to do anything to it. Now you can make this look more rustic by adding some of the Waverly Antique wax. For the Hello Fall, I did try to carefully remove the fall and just leave the hello, but I ended up breaking the FA out of the LL. I'm going to use the Waverly Antique Wax to paint the hello sign. And after it is dry, I'm going to just glue it underneath the hearts. So I had two hearts and I wasn't sure which ones to use, either the smaller one or the bigger one, but I decided to use the smaller one, which I'm going to paint it using the Apple Barrel acrylic paint in Red Apple. I will be adding the word love using the burlap letters, and for the O, I'm adding the little heart that I painted. Now these letters do come with adhesive already, so these are very easy to use. Like I said, I grabbed these from Walmart. To decorate the sign a little more, I'm going to add the ribbons at the bottom. The next thing I will be doing is just adding the hanger back on the sign. And to finish it off, I made a bow using the red and white buffalo check ribbon and add it at the bottom. And that is it for this hello love sign. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, this is what I'm going to be using. Now I got everything from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with the love sign. I'm going to remove the frame. Now to remove the frame, it is very easy if you have something sharp like a knife. So I did try to remove the paper, but I couldn't. So instead, I will be using the back. Now for the back, you can't paint this, but I decided to use some Dollar Tree white vinyl instead, which honestly, this made it look so much nice. Now I'm going to just cut the vinyl to size and stick it on there like if it was a sticker. I then glue the frame back on the sign. Now before I glue this kissing booth sign, I'm going to switch the little sign to open, and then just glue it at the top part of the sign. Now I'm going to paint the kisses and the heart. For the kisses, I'm going to paint them red, and the heart, I'm going to paint them using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now I'm going to just glue them on the sign. Now I did wish I added the ribbon first and then I added these wooden pieces, but I didn't because actually I wasn't sure I was gonna add some ribbon to this. I felt like this needed something else, so that's why I decided to add some of this ribbon at the bottom. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this stuff. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except the greenery. I'm going to start with the envelope and I'm going to remove the bow. I did try to remove the heart, but I couldn't. I then painted the bless sign with the Waverly Antique Wax. Now I'm going to glue the bless sign on the sign and glue the envelope right on top of that. Now I'm going to add this boxwood greenery that I got from Walmart, and then I'm going to add the heart where the bow was at. To finish this off, I will be making a bow using the same ribbon and adding it where the little hole on the envelope is at. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out, and it was so easy to make. And that is it for these beautiful Valentine home decor DIYs. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.